नमस्कारम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू सहारा डीजे वर्ल्ड। दोस्तों, इंग्लिश पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ज़रूरी और सबसे ज़्यादा बोली जाने वाली लैंग्वेज है। इंडियंस को इंग्लिश बोलने और सीखने का बड़ा ही शौक होता है, ये तो आपको पता ही होगा। पर बहुत सारे लोग चाहकर भी ठीक से सीख नहीं पाते क्योंकि उन्हें ना सीख पाने का कारण ही पता नहीं होता। तो आज हम आपको उन रीजंस के बारे में बताने वाले हैं जिन पर काम करके आपकी लैंग्वेज में पक्का सुधार होगा और आप फ्लुएंटली, कॉन्फिडेंटली, फर्राटेदार इंग्लिश आसानी से बोल पाएंगे।
Hello everybody. There are many situations where you feel like you are not able to speak English or learn English. So I am going to tell you some reasons and because of which you are not able to learn it, and definitely those are the reasons which you might be facing in your life and you know it's true. So let's go for the question. The question is, why aren't you satisfied with various efforts in learning spoken English language? Here are the answers. Because what source you are learning from may not suit your mind or need. You are trying to learn but not learning because the terms and words you learn is not in use, because you don't have people or situations to use them. Even the types of sentences and rules or tips and tricks you come to know, it remains in your mind. You forget or miss to use them in real life. Another reason, either wrong way of practice is followed or you have wrong person to speak with. That's why you're not learning English. Another reason is, you may not be knowing the exact need of your English learning process. You might be trying to translate fully from your mother tongue to English language. That can also be a reason. Or you frame the sentences as you feel like to. You lack English speaking friends or environment. You don't have English atmosphere. You don't live in such family. You don't have such background where English is spoken. You are not using your senses properly. You don't use your eyes, ears, tongue, mouth and presence of mind, because of which you can't learn. You may not paying the price of the product you want. That is also a very important reason you are not learning. Maybe you are a silent person or less talkative. You don't like talking. You don't like sharing your things. So that can also be a reason you are not learning or not giving practice to your tongue. That's why your knowledge is incomplete. You are unable to maintain balance between your knowledge, body and speaking. You fear or you feel shy to try your English. The next reason you can't learn or you are not able to satisfy your learning is, you may not be disciplined, consistent, focused and dedicated towards your dream of spoken English. Next reason can be, you may not have a clear picture of your goal. I mean, how do you want to see yourself after next 3 or 6 months in terms of English speaking? That's still unknown to you. You're not clear with that. You're taking your life, people and things for granted. You think good things will happen automatically. You're wrong. That's why you're not learning. Maybe you are a procrastinator. You pass the things to the next day and so on. You are a very lazy person and a loser, possibly. Because the qualities, what stops you to learn English or get success, those qualities lie in you. They still exist. The trainer, your class, your institute or any source of learning, this language is inefficient or not suitable to your need. So if you improve those things, I guess and I hope you will learn it soon.